Hi, in this video, I want to show you how to make Windows installation flash disk, bootable Windows flash disk. So, first things first, we are going to insert our flash disk in the computer. From what you see here, we have local disk C, D, and E. So, in one of your USB ports, you'll insert your flash disk. So here we have our flash disk here, drive F. Then second, we are going to get the software that will help us do this. We need two softwares. I'll need Rufus. Let me copy this to the desktop. And then I'll need the ISO, the Windows ISO. We are going to use the Windows 11 ISO, which I'll also uh, copy to the desktop. So here we are. We are going to use Rufus to help us make a bootable Windows flash disk. So we have the Windows 11 ISO here. So what you will do, you will double click Rufus, and then it will give you some options here. So we are going to click on select such that we browse for our ISO. So I'll click select, and our ISO is on the desktop. So I'll click desktop, and here it is. So we click on this Windows ISO and then click open. Basically, that's it. For newer machines, you'll opt for GPT. If you have an older machine on which you're going to install Windows, you'll have to choose MBR. But most of the machines now are GPT. So that is all. Then you will click start. Remember, all the data on your flash disk will be erased. So make sure you back up whatever is on your flash disk before you do this procedure. So here we click OK, and then the process starts. So the process is the same for Windows 10, Windows 11, no sorry, Windows 7, and even Windows 8. It takes a few minutes for this process to make your flash disk ready for booting. So that flash disk can now be used to install Windows on your machines, on your laptops. Remember, many times these days there are many laptops that don't have optical drives. Previously, we used to install Windows using uh, CDs and DVDs for Windows 7 and above. But these days, more and more laptops don't have optical drives. So the option is to use a flash disk. There are many other tools that can be used to make this, but in this particular video, I am using Rufus, and our ISO here is Windows 11. So don't forget, for newer machines, the best option would be GPT, and then for older machines, the option would be for ISO. I mean, the would be MBR. So the process is not long, as simple as that. Rufus and Windows 11, and we are making a bootable Windows a Windows bootable flash disk. The other thing is that you have to put in mind is that your flash disk must be at least 8 GB and above. Right now I'm using uh, a 64 GB flash disk, which is way far bigger than what I need. So if you have a flash disk that is around 8 GB, that would work perfectly fine for you. So please go to our YouTube channel, Izon School of Computing, and subscribe, please. Share with friends who would love to, who would benefit from this video. Also, if you have other issues to do with with your computer. Perhaps it is slow, maybe you need a network, you need to update your drivers, update your software. The place to go to is the Geek Village. Our website is www.thegeekvillage.com. If you want to learn how to do this, go to www.ezonschool.com. We have a YouTube channel where you can find this and many other videos. This particular video was illustrating how to make a bootable Windows flash disk, in particular a Windows 11 bootable flash disk using Rufus. I want to remind you that there are many other tools that can help you do this. In this particular video, we concentrated on Rufus and Windows 11. It's the same process for Windows 10, it's the same process for Windows 7, and the same process for Windows 8.1. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ezon School of Computing, where you'll find this and many other videos. And in case you have issues with your computer, please don't forget to visit www.thegeekvillage.com. This is where we do all solutions to do with computers, laptops, networks, and computing. If you want to work on your maybe computer lab, you have a small office, you want to work with your network, you want to network your printers and other computers, whether you want cabled network or wireless networks, if you want to configure who can access internet and who cannot, the Geek Village is the place for you to go. And if you want to learn, Ezon School of Computing is the place for you to go. So as you can see from this video, it doesn't take really long to make a bootable Windows flash disk. Just as a reminder, we are making a Windows 11 bootable flash disk using Rufus and the Windows 11 image. So in less than a few, in a minute or two, this will be done and you'll get a message where it will show you at the bottom one device found. So this shows that the process is done, and then you'll click close. Thank you.